Hi, it's me again. Now we say about the most important is the HDMI cable. Now you can see it with a lighter because they use for some pure fiber inside, so it's most lighter. So it's simple as with the LC connector to this LC connector. With two parts separate. One is the display, another is the source. Okay. This one we can make it longer. The longest one, 1 kilometers. You can put on the hole and piping. Transfer for the piping to the other, put in the hole to the other rooms. So it's a more longer. Okay, that is the last one. Thank you everyone. Please, if you want to read more information for the simplest LC to HDMI cable, please go inside to read our website www.xdkgroup.com. Thank you everyone.